In the early 2000s, Volkswagen promised the world clean diesel technology that was powerful and environmentally friendly. VW marketed its TDI diesel engines as the future of clean, efficient driving across America and Europe. In official lab tests, these engines easily met strict emission standards. Sales soared. VW became the world's largest automaker, and diesel was its golden ticket. The secret was advanced software controlling fuel and emissions during tests. Top management pushed hard to dominate the lucrative diesel market in the United States. Millions of customers trusted the clean diesel promise and bought these vehicles. Behind the scenes, engineers knew the engines could not meet standards in real driving. They created special software that detected lab testing conditions. In the lab, the cars passed. On actual roads, they emitted far more pollution. Over 11 million diesel vehicles worldwide were equipped with this technology. The deception helped VW become the biggest car maker on the planet. The real-world emissions are much higher than the lab tests.
Look, NOx levels are spiking far above the limit.
This is a major discrepancy. We need to document this.
Definitely. This changes everything.
On September 18, 2015, the US EPA publicly revealed Volkswagen had broken the law. VW stock plunged almost 40% in days. The scandal shocked the world. The cars emitted up to 40 times more nitrogen oxides than legal limits on real roads. 11 million vehicles across Europe, America, and beyond were involved. The secret software detected when the car was being tested and reduced emissions only then. CEO Martin Winterkorn resigned within days, accepting responsibility. Federal investigations began immediately in the United States and Europe. The story dominated global headlines for months. Volkswagen faced criminal charges for fraud and obstruction of justice. Massive recall and buyback programs were ordered for hundreds of thousands of cars. The clean diesel dream had shattered completely. The total cost to Volkswagen exceeded $34 billion in fines and settlements. In the US alone, VW paid $14.7 billion to buy back or fix affected cars. Lawmakers demanded answers in high-profile hearings. Several executives faced criminal charges and prison sentences. Billions went to consumer compensation and environmental projects. The scandal accelerated the global shift toward electric vehicles. Diesel market share dropped dramatically across Europe and America. Governments introduced much stricter real-world driving emissions tests worldwide. America and Europe were in the grip of one of the largest auto industry scandals ever. The scandal forced the entire industry to improve transparency and testing. Corporate deception was finally held accountable on a massive scale. Volkswagen began a complete transformation toward electric mobility. Dieselgate proved that cheating the system eventually costs far more than honesty. Independent researchers and regulators played a crucial role in exposing the truth. Today, every major automaker faces tougher emissions oversight than ever before. The scandal helped speed up the transition to zero-emission vehicles worldwide. Profit must never come before environmental responsibility. Volkswagen itself has invested heavily in electric technology after the scandal.
This is another chapter in the Corporate Crimes documentary series.
Which corporate crime should I expose next? Tell me in the comments. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Because when corporations break the rules, everyone pays the price. Thanks for watching. Stay informed and stay safe. This video is for educational purposes only and is based on publicly available court records.